Start with the great name of Allah, who is most merciful and beneficial. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. I'm Ms. Fakia Haider from Peshawar Model School with our third lecture. Dear students, I hope so our both previous lectures are understood by you. Dear students, our third lecture, it is also on page number 5th. Dear student, in our previous lecture, lecture number 2, we have studied the A part of page 5 because the lecture was very lengthy. Part A lecture was very lengthy, so that is why I just discussed the A part. The part B and C was remaining, so today we will discuss the part B and C. So let's come toward part B. Part B is about the true and false, and it is further divided into 3 parts. First is about the leprechauns, the second is about the Tom, and the third is about the story. So let's see here. Here is written that leprechauns are at the end of the rainbow. Leprechauns जो हैं वो रेनबो के एंड में रहते हैं, आखिर में रहते हैं. So we have studied in our lecture number 1 that granddad told the Tom that the leprechauns are living at the end of the rainbow. So yeah, it's true. Leprechauns जो हैं वो रेनबो के एंड में रहते हैं. So that is why this is true. Number 2 is leprechauns are big and clever. Leprechauns जो हैं वो बहुत ज़्यादा स्मार्ट होते हैं. We have discussed it. So yeah, it's also true. Number 3 is leprechauns have gold in their pockets. Leprechaun जो है वो गोल्ड को अपनी पॉकेट में रखते हैं. No. We have studied in our first lecture that leprechaun hide the gold under the tree. Leprechaun ने जो गोल्ड था वो ट्री के नीचे रखा था. So that is why we can say that it is false. It's not true. Leprechauns को पता होता है कि जब भी कोई उन्हें पकड़ेगा so first of all वो उनसे गोल्ड की डिमांड करेगा. So इसीलिए वो लोग अपना गोल्ड जो है छुपा के रखते हैं. वो अपना गोल्ड अपने साथ पॉकेट में नहीं रखते. So that is why this is false. Let's come toward Tom. Tom was the name of the granddad. क्या Tom जो है वो granddad का नाम था? Tom was the name of a granddad? No, because Tom was the name of a little boy. We have also studied in our first lecture that in this story there was a little boy whose name was Tom. So the Tom was the name of a little boy. So that is why this is false, mean cross. Second, Tom had a ribbon in his pocket. So true, yeah. Tom के पॉकेट में रिबन पड़ा हुआ था ना. When he tied that ribbon around the tree when he was going to home to bring that spade. जब वो spade लेने के लिए जा रहा था अपने घर तो उसने क्या निकाला था अपनी पॉकेट से? Yellow ribbon. And he tied that ribbon around the tree. So that is why it is true. Let's come toward number 3. Tom wanted to find the gold. True. Tom wanted to find the gold because he wanted to become a rich. उसको गोल्ड जो है चाहिए था ना. We have studied in our lecture number 1 that Tom wanted to become a rich. उसने अमीर होना था. So for that is why he wanted the gold. Now let's come toward the story. The story is about the leprechaun. Leprechaun के बारे में थी ना story. So that is why this is true. Now the story is about the Toms and Jerry. क्या इस स्टोरी में टॉम एंड जेरी का जिक्र हुआ है? No. In this story we just studied about the Tom and the leprechaun. We did not study about the Tom and the Jerry. That is why it's false. Cross. Last one is this story is true. क्या ये story true है? No. This story is not true. It's a fictional story. Now let's come toward the part C. Part C is imagine, color the leprechaun and draw the other picture. Here is leprechaun. You have to color it. Then you have to draw the picture of Tom. And then you have to draw the picture of Rainbow. And then you have to color it. So it's our lecture number 3rd. Inshallah, after that I will come with lecture 4. And I hope so that you all understand about it.